at this now. They have did it also last time. Eh? Imagine what the kids like to do, and also some adults. I dare not to do this, so me, I don't have the mind to do it. Kids are not scared. Most of the kids, they are not afraid of anything. Anything height is not my thing. So I'm just here to watch them, see them having their own fun, entertain them. Hello, youngins, you are having fun? Okay, good for you guys. So my people, now so we see this is how we are enjoying our Saturday. This is how we are catching the fun. Oi, the thing is finished already. Oh, so fast, you see, just 2-3 minutes you pay that money for, and it costs 12 euros, 6 euro for each, 12 euro for two kids for 2 minutes drive. Can you imagine? White people, they know how to take people money. They really know how to collect money from family, and every kid love doing this. They enjoy it. And where is my kids now? Let me look for them. It's gone. Sorry guys, I'm over here. It went faster. This one went too fast. It's just like 2 minutes. Oh, yo, the man is not seeing you or what? It went